Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we're going to be doing some paper piecing. We're going to put together this set that I hauled a few weeks ago from Temu. Now, if you've never shopped with Temu before, if you've never downloaded the app, you qualify to get $100 free, $100 worth of free items and 30% off your first purchase. And that's only for anyone who downloads the app for the first time, okay? Even if you do shop with Temu, you can always take my code, copy and paste it in the search bar, and search that code, and you will see my picks for you guys. And that's typically all the items that I have hauled previously, okay? If you guys don't know anything about Temu, you never heard of it, they basically sell everything, you guys. Anything you can think of. I'm talking houseware, crafty items, art supplies, decor, shoes, clothes, makeup, whatever you can think of, they sell it for really affordable prices, okay? So this is one of the sets that I picked up, and I went ahead and I pieced one together, and I said, let me jump on and share with you guys my process, okay? This set is so adorable. I'm going to have a link down below along with my code so you guys can check it out, okay? So I went ahead and I used my scrap pieces of paper. I use this really light color that I have from Michaels. And then this is actually Rosie Studios paper, guys. I'm obsessed with this color. It's from the Primavera set, and I want to get another pack because I love that color for especially Valentine's Day. It's been perfect. And then I use my glitter paper from Michaels to cut as well. So I cut 3 different ones, and I wanted to put some together with you guys to give you some tips and tricks with this set, okay? So first of all, this embosses. I'm not sure if the camera's catching it, but it embosses everything. And we're gonna go ahead and take an alcohol ink marker, and I'm just gonna color in some details. So there's a cup lining here, like a rim. I'm gonna go ahead and, oh, that's terrible coloring. I'm gonna go ahead and color this like so. And then I'm also gonna put, let me see, a little bit here. I'm just gonna do just a little bit of shading to really bring in those details of this cup. And if you look on the site, there are some pictures that you guys can use as a reference, okay? So I'm happy with that. That gives the cup a little bit of dimension. And then there are quite a few of there's 2 lollipops, okay? I went ahead and I cut these once again out of those 3 colors. I think I have to cut one again. No. Okay, so one of them has these embossed lines, okay? And it has the outline, which is this piece here. And then you're also gonna have a cutout, and that is gonna be to fit within that, okay? So that's how that one's gonna go. I'm just gonna put it like that because I am using both colors. I'm not gonna be able to see too much with the glitter paper. Yeah, this one's just a cutout. And so let me see. You gotta kind of figure out what color combinations you want to do. I think I'm gonna go with this, guys. No, because I want my sticks to be, they need to be a different color. So there's gonna be one stick that's longer than the other, and one of the sticks has a little slant. That's gonna go on here. Then there's a smaller one. Here it is. It's a shorter one. And that, make sure that slant goes here, okay? We're not gonna glue it down yet. Then I gotta figure out what color I wanna do for, let me see. Yeah, I should have used this bowl. I'm gonna take it off. I'm gonna take that off, and we're gonna use it on this. So I'll use that bowl on this, and then let's see. Yeah, and we'll use, because like I said, I cut 3 different colors, you guys. So I have 3 color cups here. We'll use the pink on this one, and the light pink bowl on here, the pink stick, pink bow. And then on here, we'll do these light letters. Okay, so this set, you definitely got to do some paper piecing, but the results are going to be bomb. Now, I have this from Temu as well. It's a double-ended tool. I like to use this as a pokey tool. This has been one of my favorites to use as of late. You guys know I have so many of these different tools, and this one has been my fave because this actually helps you release paper not only from the cuts, but also from the steel pieces as well. Okay, so you're gonna get the letters to spell out love, L-O-V-E. So use this tool. I'll link it down below, guys. It is so pretty. Look at the pink. Hopefully it's not sold out because it does sell out. Last time I tried to link it, it was sold out. Okay. O-V-E. Where's my L? It's going to be somewhere around here. It'll pop up. It'll pop up sooner or later. But let's go ahead and put the letters. So let's go with the O. And you're just going to put a tiniest bit of glue on the back. I don't want to make this video too long, but I want you guys to see this full process. And your tweezers are going to come in handy for this. Okay, put it perfectly on where those letters are, the guides. Let's do the V. Where is my L, you guys? I know it's gonna pop up eventually. We're just gonna put the smallest amount of glue and just paper piece these. Definitely use your markers, you guys, and get those details in there because this is gonna make it pop. All right, and then we got the E. What did you guys do with my L? I'm gonna blame it on you guys. All right, we got our E. Oh, I need to definitely be using my tweezers right about now. Okay. Put a little bit more glue. Okay. We have the E. And then the little heart, which is this one. So I suggest that you die cut a bunch of different colors and just do a bunch of different color combinations. You can also just use white cardstock and color it in with your markers or your inks. But I decided to paper piece these today, 2 different colors. Okay, and then we need that L. It'll pop up eventually, guys. So I have the pink one for this white base here. All right, so we decided we're gonna use these 2 sticks. Okay. And then we got our bow. And then we got our other stick. Now we need to put together our hearts. Let me think, what hearts do I want to use? I really feel like I messed up my color combinations on this one, you guys. We're just gonna go with it. Let's go with the flow. So there are some little highlights on here. Take your white gel pen and color it in. I love using the Pentel pocket brush pen. Not the pocket brush. I'm thinking of a completely different pen, you guys. This is the Uniball Signal. Sorry, guys. Gel pen. I love it. Sometimes it does get a little clogged. And all you have to do is scribble on your hand to fix that, okay? but it is the most opaque. It's my favorite white gel pen. I always tell you guys that. All right, we're gonna go ahead and put this one. And then we're gonna go ahead and put this piece in the middle. Okay. And there goes our layer. I get it on there perfectly. There we go. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit more white highlight. So right here. And then right here. I think that's good enough. So now we're gonna go ahead and put this on our stick. So just put the tiniest amount of glue right on the tip and glue that there. Then I'm gonna go ahead and place it on my cup. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of glue here on the bottom and glue that down. I wanna put some white around the rim before we start gluing these down, you guys. Let's go ahead and do that. I wanna make this entire rim white. You probably can use color pencils too. If you got some good color pencils, like some Prismacolors, any white color pencil that's pretty opaque, which means dark, then you can use that. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some highlights on this. Even though we put our shadow, I'm still gonna put just a little bit of highlight here and there to really make this cup come alive. Okay, so there goes that. I feel like this one's supposed to be turned a little more. We're gonna leave it there though. And then we're gonna take this one. Let's go ahead and glue it down. So don't forget the side that's slanted, that's gonna be your bottom. Okay. So we'll make this one really slanted, like so. And then let's go ahead and put another heart, and we'll put this pink one here. This is the one that doesn't have all the embossing. So there's one little embossing mark there. We're gonna fill that in with our white gel pen. Guys, you wanna just go crazy with your scraps and make a ton of these for your projects. You can plop this on any project. Okay, let's go ahead and add our glue. I'm gonna put a nice amount because I am sticking it on glitter paper. And there are embossing lines on this, but they're hard to see because of the glitter. But I just love that pop of glitter. So we'll glue this one here. So just put the tiniest amount of glue on the tip. And I actually want this one to be a little behind this one. Isn't that cute, guys? So cute. And then we're gonna finish it off with our bow. Now this set is just adorable even with just to use the bow. You guys know how I am about bows. And we're gonna glue that one like this. And then I can go ahead and put some on where it's gonna touch the paper. Let that dry really well. Like so. So I want it to cover some of this stick and kind of wrap around the cup. Isn't that adorable? We still have to find the L, it will come up. But this is what we have. Isn't that so cute? So like I said, do several different colors. So as you see, I got 2 color combinations, and then I'm gonna put together the other one off camera. And I'll have 3 adorable embellishments. You can make a tag with this. You can put this on a card base, anything. These are so cute, guys. So I'm going to have everything linked down below. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Leave your questions down below, and I'll be happy to answer them. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye, everyone.